In this video, we're going to learn that how to create the quotations or the codes in Sage 50 accounting. So we have these scenarios that we need to create the codes for our prospect. This carry forward, it is our not a regular customer, that is right now a prospect. So how to create the codes for the prospect? So how to do in the system? So you need to click on this task. In the task we have this option, codes and sale orders. So click on this codes, maximize it, and here you need to select our first the customer ID, that is carry 4. Click it and press enter. That is the address. Enter. That is the date when you're issuing the quotation, and that is a goods through, means that when you need to send that the stock before it will cancel. So that is, let's suppose that is end of the August, and that is a quotation number. So I'm gonna enter the quotation number 7575, and here you can enter the quantity. That we have 20 keyboards, the price is 30. 20 keyboard, press enter, the price is 30. Enter, enter, enter. Then we have 20 mouse, enter, enter, the price is 35. Enter, enter. Then we have 20 CPUs, enter, enter, the price is 150. Then we have 20 monitor, enter, the price is, let's suppose it is 250. Enter. Then we have 20 hard disk, enter, enter, the price is 400. Then we have 20 mobiles, enter, the price is 3000. Enter, enter. And so this is our quotation. So if they are charging the freight, you can enter here that amount, and that is a quotation total, the quote total, that is 77,300, and that is a customer balance account information. The balance is 0 right now, and the credit limit is 20,000, and the credit status is notify or limit. So that is how you will create a quotation in Sage 50 accounting. And then click on this save to save this quotation or this quote, and it gives us the message that transaction will cause that customer balance to go over the credit limit by 57,300, because we have a credit limit of 20,000. So do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue right now. Yes, save it.